In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a website using the Hostinger AI Website Builder step by step. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking website but didn't want to deal with complicated design tools or coding, Hostinger's AI Builder makes the process incredibly simple. In just a few minutes, you can generate a complete website layout, add your content, customize the design, and publish your site online. This method is perfect for beginners, small businesses, freelancers, or anyone who wants a fast and modern website without hiring a developer. I'll walk you through the entire process from creating the site with AI all the way to publishing it live. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account and open the Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites and then select Add Website. This is where you'll create a brand new website using Hostinger's tools. Hostinger will give you a couple of options for building your website, but the one we want to choose is Website Builder, and then select AI Website Builder. This option allows the platform's AI to automatically design a full website for you based on a short description. After selecting the AI Website Builder, you'll be asked to enter some basic information about your website. Start by entering your website name. This is usually your brand name, business name, or project name. Next, select your business type or category. For example, this could be a digital agency, restaurant, portfolio, blog, online store, or service business. Choosing the correct category helps the AI understand what kind of layout and sections your website should have. Now you'll see a description box. This is where you describe what you want your website to look like. The more detailed your description is, the better the AI can design the website. For example, you could type something like, "Design a modern website for my business with a homepage, about page, services page, and contact page. Include a professional hero section, service blocks, testimonials, clear call to action buttons, and relevant images. Use a clean color scheme and easy-to-read fonts, and generate example content for each section." Once you've entered your description, continue and let the AI start generating your website. Hostinger's AI will now automatically build a full website layout including sections, text, images, and structure. This usually only takes a few moments. After the website is generated, you'll be taken directly into the Website Builder editor where you can customize everything. You can click on any section to edit text, change images, adjust spacing, update colors, or modify the layout. If you want to add new sections, simply use the Add Section option inside the builder. This allows you to insert things like galleries, pricing sections, testimonials, contact forms, or additional content blocks. You can also update your navigation menu, adjust fonts, and change the overall style so the website matches your brand identity. One really helpful feature is the preview option. Make sure to preview your website in both desktop and mobile views. This helps you confirm that your site looks clean and professional on all screen sizes. Since many visitors browse on mobile devices, checking the mobile layout is extremely important before publishing your site. Once you're happy with your design, the next step is connecting your domain. If you already purchased a domain through Hostinger, you can easily attach it to your website from the domain settings. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one directly inside the Hostinger dashboard. Finally, when everything looks good, click the Publish button. Hostinger will instantly make your website live on the internet so visitors can access it through your domain. And that's it. You've successfully designed and launched a website using the Hostinger AI Website Builder. As you can see, the AI handles most of the heavy work, and you just customize the details to match your needs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website creation tutorials, AI tools, and online business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.